सो रिसेंटली मेरे साथ एक ऐसा सिचुएशन हुई जिसके लिए मुझे दो लॉयर से कंसल्ट करना पड़ा. तो बेसिकली what happened was I signed an agreement with this agency to take their services. This agency was basically recommended by a lot of people that I know and trust. However, I did not read the clause of the agreement so thoroughly. सब कुछ सही चल रहा था. I was liking their work also until I wasn't. जब इस आदमी के चाल चलन एंड काम मुझे अच्छे लगने बंद हुए, that's when I took out the agreement to read it and I was, वो agreement basically पूरी तरह से उनके फेवर में था. There was no clause, nothing mentioned about what a client had to do or what kind of actions I can take. सबसे पहली चीज़, clear mention of deliverable, not just we are going to provide you so and so services. It should specifically mention the number of deliverables that you will be given in a particular span of time. Delays in deliverables. So clients को usually अगर invoice या bill clear करना होता है तो they are given a term कि आप 7 दिन में, 10 दिन में या 30 दिन में इस bill को clear करो, otherwise there will be consequences. But जो services provide करा रहा है उसकी side से if there is a delay, what will be the penalty on it? If not penalty, how are you going to deduct? Communication rules. What will be the working days? What will be the working time? Payment terms. Maybe a 50% advance payment and the other payments are done according to the milestones that are achieved. Termination clause. Usually सारे agreements में there is a termination clause of 30 days notice or 15 days notice or 7 days notice. Make sure that there is a mention of if you are not liking their services and you want to just get rid of them immediately. उसके बारे में there should be a mention about. However, since this happened to me, so now I am going to be very careful about it, and I just thought that I should share it with the community.